What's up guys, it's me. Welcome back to another tips and tricks video. And today I want to talk about something that I think is pretty cool. And this has to do with YouTube automation. So as you may know, when you upload a video to YouTube, it will generate a thumbnail for you automatically. However, some of you might not like that thumbnail. You might think it's a terrible thumbnail. And in fact, sometimes it is a terrible thumbnail. But what if you want to make a custom thumbnail but you don't have the video yet? Well, now there's a way to do it. Let me show you how. So first off, we're going to head over to a video that we haven't uploaded yet. So let's just go ahead and click on one of these videos. Now we're going to get this pop-up down here. We're going to click on edit and then we're going to click on thumbnails. Now we've got three options here. First option is use YouTube's auto-generated thumbnail. Now we already know what that does. The second option here is choose a thumbnail from the video. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now what you want to do is pick a part of the video that you want to be a thumbnail. Now the thing about this is that this is a little bit tricky because obviously you want to have the video yet. So what I suggest doing is uploading maybe a blank video or just uploading some footage that you know will be in the actual video. And then at the very end of this video, you can go ahead and cut it so that it doesn't show. But essentially what you want to do is pick out that part of the video that you want. So let's just say it's around here. So we'll go ahead and click on this. We'll click on select, and then we'll go ahead and click on save. Now, that's going to save this as our thumbnail. Now we're going to move on to the next step, which is step no. 3. And step no. 3 is where we can upload a custom thumbnail. So let's go ahead and click on upload file. Now what I suggest doing is making your thumbnail the exact size of what YouTube requires. So that's going to be 1920 by 1080. That's going to be the ideal size. So you want to make sure that you're creating your thumbnail at that exact size. So let's just go ahead and upload a blank thumbnail. So let's just go ahead and select this file. There we go. Blank 1920 by 1080. You can see here that it says recommended size 1920 by 1080. So you want to make sure that your thumbnail fits those exact specifications. Otherwise, it will be a little bit blurry. So once you upload your file, let's go ahead and click on open. And now we're going to drag this to the right location. So let's just go ahead and drag this. Get that out of there. And there we go. Now we're going to click on save. And then now we're going to click on done. And now you can see that we've uploaded a custom thumbnail. Now if we go ahead and click on published, it has gone. Now I use that custom thumbnail that we uploaded, even though the video hasn't even been processed yet. Now, the reason why I think this is so cool is because you can actually get really creative with this. You can upload a thumbnail that you've created on Photoshop or any other program. You can upload a PNG with a transparent background and then upload a video afterwards. And because YouTube doesn't actually take the thumbnail from the video, you can upload whatever you want as the thumbnail regardless of whether or not it matches the video. Now, I don't know if that makes sense because it kind of doesn't make sense, but that's basically how it works. So I think this is an awesome feature. Again, you can get super creative with this. You don't have to necessarily pick a thumbnail from the video itself. You can just upload whatever you want as long as it's 1920 by 1080. So anyways, guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. Let me know what you think about this new feature down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.